Hello dear students, let's start the new topic, that is types of solution. This topic from chapter 3 of class 9th in subject chemistry. Let's open your chemistry book and come on the page number 35. Types of solution. As you know that matter exists in all the three states, solid, liquid and gas. They physically combined with each other and form a different types of the solution. Some solution of their examples here. Here the different types of the solutions on the basis of their different states, and here the examples. Number 1, solid in liquid. When solid dissolve in the liquid, that means solid act as a solute and liquid behave as a solvent. So for example of this type of solution, salt in water, sugar in water. Next, solid in gases, that means solid dissolve in gases. Here gases is a solvent and solid is a solute. For example, smoke. Now here carbon particles dissolve in air. Carbon particle is a solid. Now the next types, solid in solid. When solid also dissolve in solids. Here the one solid behave as a solute and another solid behave as a solvent. Just for example, alloy like brass, bronze, this alloy, brass and bronze alloy. Brass is a alloy of copper and zinc, and bronze is a alloy of copper and tin. In both alloys, the solid dissolve in a solid. Liquid in liquid. Now one liquid dissolve in another liquid. So one liquid behave as a solute and another liquid behave as a solvent, such as alcohol dissolve in water. So alcohol is a solute, water is a solvent. In some cases, water also dissolve in alcohol. So alcohol behave as a solvent, and in that cases water behave as a solute. Nitrobenzene in benzenes. Now the nitrobenzene dissolve in benzenes. Next types, gas in liquids. When gas dissolve in liquids, such as soda water. In soda water, the CO2 gas dissolve in the water. Next types, gas in gas, such as air. Now in air, the one gas behave as a solute and another gas behave as a solvent. Another types, liquid in gas. Now when liquid dissolve in gas, as for example mist, fog, etc. Now the next types, gas in solids. When gas dissolve in solid, gas is a solute and solid is a solvent, such as hydrogen in palladium. Generally palladium absorb the hydrogens. So palladium is a solid and hydrogen is a gas. Now these all are the types on the basis of their state, solid, liquid or gas. That means solid dissolve in what, or gas dissolve in what, or liquid dissolve in what state of the matter. Now next types, dilute solution and concentrated solution. Two types according to their concentrations present in the water, according to their amount present in the water. The two types of the solution, dilute solution and the concentrated solutions. Two not but more than two types. Here dilute solution, the solution in which the amount of water is relatively small as compared to the amount of solvent present in a given mass of it, is called a dilute solution. Now dilute solution, if the amount of solute present in a particular solution is relatively small as compared to the amount of solvent which present in the solution. That solution is called the dilute solution. Now concentrated solution. The solute in which the amount of solute is relatively large as compared to the amount of solvent in a given mass of it is called a concentrated solution. If the amount of solute is relatively large as compared to the given mass of a solvent, and also from another solution, that solution is called the concentrated solution. Now next type of the solution, this is saturated solution. What is the saturated solution? Saturated solution, a solution is said to be a saturated solution at a particular temperature if no more of the solute can be dissolved in it at the same temperature. At a particular temperature, if no more amount of solute can be dissolved in the solution, that solution is called the saturated solution. Now next type of the solution is unsaturated solution. A solution is said to be unsaturated at a particular temperature if it can dissolve more of the solute at the same temperature. Now the unsaturated solution, the solution at a particular temperature which can dissolve the more amount of the solute and which have the ability to dissolve the more amount of the solute at a particular temperature, that solution is called the unsaturated solution. Dilute solution are generally the unsaturated solution. So the saturated solution which do not dissolve the more amount of the solute, but unsaturated solution which can dissolve the more of the solute. So that is the difference between saturated and unsaturated solution. Now supersaturated solution. A solution is said to be supersaturated at a particular temperature if it holds more of the solute than that present in a saturated solution at the same temperature. If a saturated solution can dissolve the more amount of solute in it at a same temperature, then that solution is called the supersaturated solution. How to prepare the supersaturated solution? Just we can take a saturated solution of potassium nitrate, and that saturated solution of sodium nitrate slightly heat the solution of potassium nitrate and add some excess more amount of the potassium nitrate in saturated solution of the potassium nitrate, and after cooling the excess salt does not separate out. Thus this solution contain more solute in it than it can hold at room temperature, and therefore it is known as the supersaturated solution. So supersaturated solution generally dissolve more amount of solutes than the saturated solution at the same temperature. So this is about the different types of the solution. Okay, thank you.